So recently I just changed my daily driver mouse to the new ASUS mouse right here. It's called the ASUS Gladius III Wireless. Honestly, it's a quite interesting mouse and it's the wireless capability that I really love. But there's one extra feature on this mouse that I actually really like, and that it comes with a lot of keyboards but you rarely see in mouse, and that is the hot-swappable switches function. So today we're just gonna go through my review of the ASUS Gladius III right here, see what we can do with it and how to hot swap it. So yeah, first of all, let's go through what is included with the box. Let's go. So this is actually the box of the mouse right here. Let's check out what is included when you purchase this mouse. So there's actually quite a lot of things. Let's go through it one by one. First thing you get, of course, is the mouse itself right here. So it comes in this matte kind of plastic build. Honestly, really nice and soft touch. Second thing that you get is actually this Type A to Type C cable, which is actually paracord and has this really nice texture to it, and you won't get entangled really easily. Really nice quality. Third thing you get is this little ASUS ROG adapter from Type A to Type C. So the next thing you actually get is this really interesting thing. You get a switch puller and an extra Omron switches for your mouse, which you can hot swap. We'll be taking a look at this later. Of course, you're gonna get your usual warranty card and user manual right here. And of course, some really nice ASUS ROG stickers and some extra feet for the old ones if they get worn out. Let's go through some features of the mouse. Of course, you have your left and right click, your scroll wheel, your D-pad button right here, two programmable buttons on the left side, really nice. And then at the back here, we get the ASUS ROG logo. On the front here, we get the Type-C connector for charging or using it with your computer. So on the bottom, we have the mode switcher right here from Bluetooth, on and off, and then your 2.4 GHz mode. Of course, you have these two glide feet right here, which are really smooth, really like that. You have your pair key, and then over here, you have the optical sensor, two rubber covers right here for the screws because this mouse is hot swappable. We got a profile switcher right here, and of course, the 2.4 GHz dongle snuggle in here. So it's a really nice mouse. I really love the shape. And now let's just turn it on and let you guys see what it actually looks like. So about the RGB, there's actually three places with the RGB. You have the scroll wheel right here, the ASUS ROG logo, and of course the sides here with the ASUS ROG writing. So all this is actually programmable inside the software, which are really nice, but I mainly use it with the ASUS ROG RGB off to save battery life. So as I said, I've been using this mouse for the past few weeks and it has honestly become my daily driver, which is really nice. Really love the shape and the weight of this mouse. So today we're going to take a look at the hot swappable functionality in this mouse. I think it's really interesting. Let's take a look at how it works. So let's just take a look at the switch given right here by ASUS themselves. So it's an Omron mouse switch, we can see right here, and I believe it's actually 5 pin. So let's open it up. So this is the little switch puller provided by ASUS themselves. It's really cute and it's just the right size for switches for the mouse. So this is the switch right here. This is the Omron switch for the mouse. Of course, there's only two provided, one for the left and right key. So to actually get to the hot swap function of this mouse, I use these three tools right here. Of course, you have your switch puller for the switch, you have your X-Acto knife to open up the rubber, and of course a screwdriver to unscrew the screws. So let's do it now. Of course, first thing you want to do is flip it over and find these two black rubber, and then you can just remove it with your fingernails like this or using the X-Acto knife. That is one, and then we can just open the other one. So this is what the rubber looks like. It's basically just like a slot to fit in there really snugly so the screws are not exposed. It's really flexible, so you don't have to be worried when taking it out. So after you remove the two rubber covers, you can now just take your screwdriver and then unscrew it. After you remove the two screws, we can now just pry it open. So to pry it open, you actually need to find this little line or this little slit at the back here and put your nail in there and just lift it up. you guys can see that there's a little gap right now, and you can just pull it out. So the top part actually just removes in one piece right here with all the buttons in place. Don't have to worry about anything. And then this, of course, is the bottom part where you can see all of the internals of the mouse. And then the two hot-swappable switches are right here. These are the ASUS ROG switches. So we can just take them out and then put the Omron switches in. All you need is the switch remover tool. That is it. That is one. And that is the other switch. So it's really easy. All you need to do is just hold the top and bottom of the switch and pull it out, and it should come out just fine. Now the slots are empty. We can try to put in the 5-pin Omron switches. So if you look closely, you can actually see the 5 holes right here for the 5-pin socket. So we can just line it up like this and just slot it in. After you put it in, it should be a click and then it's fit. Now let's put the other one. This is how easy it is. So you can just take the case right here, put it on, and then you're good to go. I'm just going to change it, one for the red and one for the black one, and do a sound comparison after this. So the Omron switch will be on the left side, and then the red ROG switch will be on the right side. And let's take a look at the sound test. So I really love the way ASUS integrates this into this ASUS ROG Gladius III Wireless mouse, and I think that in the future maybe all of the switches, or maybe the left side programmable switches, can also be hot swap, and users can actually customize to however they like it. I really like this feature. It gives more power to the user, and you can actually switch them out really easily to whatever switches you want on the market. So that is it for this video, guys. I've been using this mouse for the past few weeks, and honestly I think it's going to be my daily driver from now on. The wireless functionality is really nice. It charges up fast, and the hot swappable capability means that in the long run your switches can be switched out if they are broken, and that's going to save you a lot of cost. So that is it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more content like this coming very soon, and as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.